Everyone thinks the best-selling wireless backup camera is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Pemicom 1080p HD. First up is the Pemicom 1080p HD wireless backup camera. Priced at $100.99, this one stood out to me because of its magnetic installation feature. If you want a super easy setup without the hassle of wires, this is worth a serious look. The night vision is a game changer, especially if you're parking in poorly lit areas. With a 24-hour battery life thanks to the built-in solar panel, you won't have to worry about recharging it frequently. Plus, the 170 degrees wide-angle view helps eliminate blind spots, keeping you safe while maneuvering your RV. Now I have to be honest. Some users reported issues with the wireless signal dropping in heavy traffic. Here's the thing though, if you're primarily using this for parking at campsites or during low-speed maneuvers, that's not a deal-breaker. This is perfect for you if you're an RV newbie looking for a straightforward, reliable camera. Skip this one if you need something that can handle high-speed driving or extensive highway use. At this price point, it offers solid value for the features. Now, if that concern about signal strength bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Pemicom Solar Magnetic. Next is another gem from Pemicom, the RV backup camera with solar magnetic. It's priced at $119.99 and features a 7-inch touch key monitor that really caught my attention. If you're looking for a hassle-free installation, this one's a great option to consider. What makes this camera stand out is its solar-powered design. The clarity is impressive thanks to the 1080p resolution, and it offers night vision with 9 infrared lights for safe driving after dark. And with a field of view of 150 degrees, you can easily spot anything lurking in your blind spots. However, a few users mentioned that the touch screen can be a bit sensitive, which can be frustrating. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, you'll appreciate how intuitive it is. This is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts who want a camera that can easily switch between vehicles. Skip this if you're looking for a system with multiple camera options. Overall, it offers good value for the convenience it brings. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want something a bit more advanced. Product number 3, Nuance Wireless Backup Camera. At number 3, we have the Nuance Wireless Backup Camera. Priced at $139.98, it offers a 7-inch monitor and supports 2 cameras, which is a big plus if you want added coverage. If you're looking for versatility, this one deserves your attention. The 152-degree field of view is fantastic for spotting obstacles while reversing. The installation process is straightforward, and it has a wireless range of over 300 feet in open areas, making it reliable for larger RVs. However, some customers found the night vision could be improved, but I'll be real with you. During the day, the clarity is excellent, and that's when most people do their driving. This is perfect for those who want the flexibility of using multiple cameras. Skip this if you only need a single view option, as you might find it a bit overkill. For the versatility it offers, it's definitely worth it. Now, if you're looking for something with top-notch features, the next product has you covered. Product number 4, Furrion Vision S. Coming in at number 4 is the Furrion Vision S3 Camera Wireless RV Backup System, priced at $349.99. This is a bit of a splurge, but it packs in features that can be a game changer for safety. If you're serious about safety and security, this one is worth considering. With 3 cameras included, you can get full coverage around your RV. It's also got infrared night vision, which is crucial for those late-night parking situations. Plus, it utilizes stable and long-range signal strength, even tested for up to 100 feet at high speeds. However, some users found the initial setup a bit tricky, especially if your RV isn't prepped for it. But honestly, once it's in place, you'll appreciate the peace of mind it brings. This is perfect for full-time RVers who want comprehensive safety coverage. Skip this if you want a simple one-camera system. You might find this overwhelming. For the investment, it definitely brings a lot to the table. Lastly, if you're looking for something that balances features with affordability, the next one might hit the sweet spot. Product number 5, Pemicom Towable RV Camera. Finally, we have the Pemicom wireless backup camera for towable RVs priced at $129.99. This one features a magnetic no-wiring setup, which is something that really caught my eye. If you hate complex installations, this is your best bet. The 170 degrees viewing angle is huge, and with the seamless loop recording feature, you can capture every moment on the road. It's designed specifically for towable RVs, making it an excellent choice for travel trailers and fifth wheels. Plus, the solar charging ensures you won't run out of battery on long trips. However, some complain about the signal range being less impressive than competitors. But honestly, unless you're driving at high speeds, you shouldn't experience major issues. This is perfect for casual RV campers who want something easy to use. Skip this if you need extra features like multiple camera angles. For the price and ease of installation, it's a solid option. To wrap it up, each of these cameras has its strengths. Whether you need something straightforward, feature-rich, or easy to install, there's definitely a backup camera for you in this list. To summarize, the Pemicom 1080p offers a great entry point for beginners, while the Solar Magnetic is excellent for portability. The Nuance provides versatility with its dual camera support, and the Furion Vision S is perfect for those who prioritize safety. Finally, the Pemicom Towable RV Camera brings convenience without the hassle of installation. Whatever your needs, there's a backup camera here that fits your RV lifestyle.